Okay, so this is the Xero contact scrubber. Basically what this is this is a water-fed pole attachment as a Y connection or a Y adapter from your angle adapter. So this can work with a lot of different angle adapters for water-fed pole. So what you do is you have this middle piece. A lot of people know this already, that it comes with a few bolts. This has a female Euro thread on it. So that basically just attaches back onto here. You just tighten it on there, and then it sits like that on your water-fed pole at the top. So what it does is it basically moves up and down with the window as you're going up and down with it. Now, one important thing I would say with this is that I don't make it a step for every single window. I only make it a step if like the windows are extremely dirty or if I see extra stuff after using a boar's hair brush. So that's what that is. When I got it, one thing I did do was I went into just the bolts in there and I loosened that up so that this is a little bit loose like that. I like it a little bit looser because of like the Techno Pad feel as far as that is. But it's gonna come with walnut pads. Right now there's not bronze wool. Bronze wool probably isn't coming back for good. Maybe come in spurts, but not ever for good. So this is a walnut pad. Actually, walnut pads do really good. I didn't really use them until about 6 months ago, until the bronze wool shortage happened. And now I really enjoyed them, and they last longer on things like this. Techno Pad, and do a really good job by hand. I've been really impressed with them, no joke. You could either use that or Quad Zero steel wool in hand too, and it works really good. But so you can see the Velcro here. That's the Velcro, so that's what's gonna hold it. You could put a white pad on here as well, same size. I believe a full walnut pad is gonna get you about 2 lengths. So you see that as far as 2. And it works really nice. It doesn't come off at all. One other thing you can do is a 10-inch maker handy sleeve. If you want something a little more padding around the edges, it's not going to be a perfect fit, but some people are a fan of it. I would suggest doing it with the Hedgehog. That's going to be a more aggressive sleeve, and I've done that with the bronze wool attachment for water-fed pole, and it's worked out really nice. It's pretty cool. So anyways, I just wanted to give a brief overview, kind of showed you some B-roll as I talked about this, but a really cool new tool this year that came out here in 2022, and I'd really suggest it for your water-fed pole arsenal of tools. So if you want to pick this up, it's at windowcleaner.com, about $105, ships free as well. Comes with 2 walnut pads. If you got any questions, feel free to hit me up. You guys know my phone number, 970-599-1437, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace, bye.